Here's a video of the DSG on the Karoq. So in order to change gear, the green foot pedal symbol needs to go out, otherwise you can't move the gear lever. So you have to press the brake, that light goes out, hold the button in on the right, slide it down, you'll get your reverse, which has got the rear camera. Then you've got your neutral, drive and sport mode, and it will tell you what gear you're in your eye line. You can tap it down, which it will then flip into S1, which is sport mode, and you can tap it back into normal drive at any point. Go over to the left, you can then go up the gears or down the gears manually. Failing that, just leave it in drive and it will do everything for you. When you drive off, you don't need to turn your handbrake off, you just drive, and then when you reach your destination, you just lift it up, and so it's highlighted. When you are driving, if you have your auto hold highlighted, every time you come to a junction and you put your foot on the brake and stop the car, if your handbrake is green instead of red, you can take your foot off the brake pedal and sit there comfortably until you need to drive off, which you just accelerate. I always say switch it off for parking and have it on for driving, and you'll find out why. Your mode button will allow you to change the gear shift ratio from better efficiency, normal driving style, sports if you want more performance but it will use more fuel. You can set it up individually by going into change, so if you prefer the steering to be a little bit more sensitive, but the drive and eco, you can tailor that as you wish. And then your traction control will always be on, just to give you the best stability on the roads. And then your off-road button, which you press, and it will then ask you to drive at a steady pace. So you can control the speed of the car by either using your brake or your accelerator. Then you'll feel the car take over at the speed that you've been setting the car at, and it will continue to move forward at that pace. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you soon.